Continue on West 600.
Been driving 6 hours. Stop at the rest stop here so I can pee and maybe take a look at the bike. I got a couple other stuff with a couple other stuff that came with the bike that he never got to put on. Some work done on it though. Just mostly the front end. Let me get you a better view. Yeah, this is better. Downpipe is fix that is done. I got this Yamaha from this kid. He had just had it maybe 3 months before he wrecked it. He said he got into a wreck maybe five days ago. So it's a '04 R6 front end damage. I'm just gonna get straight to the point. I have never worked on a motorcycle before. I don't know shit about motorcycle, but I always wanted one, and I figure why not, right? It does start and run. The tank is damaged. Uh, Radiator is damaged. Downpipe is damaged. Uh, Front strut is damaged. Wheel and tire is damaged, but look salvageable. Um, I'm gonna need some new headlights, new front end. The brakes lines are good. Clutch are good. I'm a little confused here. I don't know why he have uh two whatever these are on one handle here. This handle does look a little bent, or maybe yeah, it look a little bent a little, but maybe that's salvageable. Yeah, pretty much just the front uh forks is what damaged. Like I said, brake line is good. There are some looks like some leakage, but I think that's from the cooling when it got damaged. The downpipe, I might be able to save it, but I doubt it. We'll see. Um, I'm just gonna take the fairing, take everything else off, try to, you know, go as slow as I can and just figure it out.